In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a project in Semrush. This task should only take about 5 minutes, and with these clearly laid out steps, you'll be able to navigate the process easily. First, let's start by opening your web browser. It doesn't matter which one you prefer to use. You could use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other reliable option that you trust for efficient web browsing. Once your browser is open, type Semrush into the search bar and hit Enter. You should see a list of results popping up. What you're looking for is the official Semrush website link, so go ahead and click on that. Now that you're on the Semrush homepage, if you already have an account, you can proceed to log in. If you don't yet have an account, you'll need to sign up to proceed. Thankfully, the sign-up process is straightforward and user-friendly. Simply follow the prompts to create your account. After logging in or registering, you'll be directed to your Semrush dashboard, which includes a wealth of features. Next, focus on finding the Projects section. It's usually listed prominently on the dashboard for ease of navigation. Click on it, and this will take you to the Projects interface where all your current projects are displayed in a list format. Take a moment to locate the specific project you want to delete. If you manage multiple projects, be sure to carefully identify the correct one to avoid any accidental deletions. Once you've identified the project you wish to remove, you'll see a settings icon that looks like a gear next to the project's name. Click on this gear icon, which will reveal a menu of options related to that specific project. From the list of options, look for the Delete option and select it. This action alerts Semrush that you intend to remove the project from your list permanently. After clicking Delete, a confirmation prompt from Semrush will appear. This is an important safety feature designed to prevent accidental deletions. You might be required to type in a specific code or a confirmation message at this point. Carefully follow the instructions provided within the prompt to move forward with the deletion process. Finally, a pop-up dialog box will appear, offering a final step to confirm the deletion. Click Delete or an equivalent confirmation button shown in the dialog box. This step completes the process and finalizes the removal of the project from your Semrush account. And there you have it. Your project is now successfully deleted. This procedure ensures your project list stays organized and relevant to your current needs. Remember to double-check the project you select for deletion to avoid any loss of important data. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide has been helpful.